Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this ultra violet makeup look. So I apologize for my face looking really red. I just removed all my makeup, so my acne is a bit flared up from me wiping it with a makeup wipe. For foundation, I'm using the Pro Filter foundation by Fenty in 150, putting a pump of that. I'm also using the NYX Total Control drops in True Beige and dropping around 2 drops. I'm also mixing in some Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector. I'm going to take the Expert Face brush from Real Techniques and mixing all those liquids together and then just applying it all over the face. Next, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer number 10 Light to just cover some of my blemishes. I'm using a really dirty Real Techniques blending sponge. For eyeshadow, I'm using the Too Faced Peanut Butter Jelly and using the Mikasa E300 brush and dipping it in jelly. And then I'm just gonna put that in the corner, outer corner of my eyes, and then all over my lids. Next, I'm taking Jammin with the same brush and I'm going to put that on the outer corner to give my eyes a bit more depth and make my eyes look a bit bigger. Next, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in Confetti and I'm taking that with my fingers and just applying it on top of my lid to give my eyes a bit of a sparkle. Now with the Mikasa E230 brush, I'm taking jelly again and I'm going to put that on the bottom lash line. Next, I'm using my eyelash curler from Uemura, I think that's how you pronounce it, to curl my lashes. For mascara, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Telescopic Carbon Black. For bronzer, I'm using the Hoola by Benefit and using the Mikasa F110 brush to contour. Now I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to fill them in. Now I'm using the brush side of the Goof Boop Brow Pencil by Benefit to comb in my brows. I'm using the Fenty Beauty Matchstick and then Confetti again to just highlight some points on top of my nose, under my brows, and on my cheekbones. Next, I'm using the ColourPop Matte Liquid Lipstick in Trap, and I'm just putting that over my lips. And to top it off, I'm using the e.l.f. Pout Perfector and just dabbing that all over the top of my lips to give my lips a little glossy, sparkly look. And then I thought I was actually done, but then I realized that I wanted to put a liner, so I'm using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper to make a cat eyeliner. And that is how I created this ultraviolet look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.